Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom? Push the envelope." I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. John was working on a project and was told to push the envelope. He was confused and thought he had to push an actual envelope. But push the envelope means to go beyond the usual limits. Push the envelope means to exceed the limits of what is normally done. It is often used to describe taking risks or being innovative. To remember the meaning of push the envelope, think of pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. You are pushing the boundaries of what you thought was possible. Let me give you an example. John pushed the envelope by presenting a new idea to his boss. His boss was impressed with his innovative thinking. Fun Fact 1. The idiom originated from aviation. Fun Fact 2. It was used to describe testing the limits of an aircraft. Fun Fact 3. The idiom was popularized in the 1970s. 1. John pushed the envelope by proposing a new marketing strategy. 2. The company pushed the envelope by introducing a revolutionary product. 3. The artist pushed the envelope by experimenting with different styles. John proposed a new marketing strategy, pushing the envelope of what the company had done before. Rephrase 1. John proposed a new marketing strategy, going beyond the usual limits. Rephrase 2. John proposed a new marketing strategy, taking a risk. A real-life example of pushing the envelope is Steve Jobs introducing the iPhone. It was a revolutionary product that exceeded the limits of what was normally done. Similar expressions to push the envelope include break new ground and innovate. Opposite expressions include play it safe and stick to the status quo. Related idioms that English learners should know include think outside the box and step up to the plate. Quiz time. What does push the envelope mean? A. To exceed the limits of what is normally done. B. To push an actual envelope. C. To stay within the usual limits. Answer A. Explanation. Push the envelope means to exceed the limits of what is normally done. To summarize, push the envelope means to exceed the limits of what is normally done. It is often used to describe taking risks or being innovative. Remember to push yourself beyond your comfort zone and think outside the box.